We're going? We're live?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, class?
Yes.
All right, good morning. How's everybody doing?
Good.
All right, great. So today, our lesson we're going to be talking about, we're continuing with our exercise unit. And really, I just want us to have a clear understanding of what physical fitness is. So there is a definition for physical fitness, but I really am more interested in what it means to you. Okay, so we're going to kind of go over that today and really get into the core of what physical fitness means. And that'll help us establish why it's so important. So I'm going to give you kind of a boring, long, not too long, but a definition out of something I got offline, or you could probably find it in the dictionary or something. So we got physical fitness. It is a state of health and well-being. So the ability to perform aspects of sports, occupations, and daily activities. So being able to maintain that throughout your lifestyle. So for our first activity we're going to do today, I would like us to kind of see if we can come up with some analogies. So what I want us to do is to kind of compare what physical fitness means to you. If we could compare it to the ocean, how would that relate to the ocean? Can we think of any words or anything that would relate being active, being physically fit, and the ocean? Can we think of anything?
How it can make you strong?
So the ocean is strong. I think that's pretty accurate. Yeah, that's a really good word. So strong. Yeah, I would say the ocean's really strong. In fact, I'm a little intimidated by it. It's so strong. I've been held down by the waves before. And of course, through the guys that were teaching me, just relax and you'll finally pop up out of the ocean. So very, very strong. Can we think of anything else that we might be able to relate to physical fitness and the ocean? Anything else, Pete? Can you come up with any ideas? Like physically fit, being active, the ocean. Does the ocean ever stop?
Yeah.
The waves, so they're going all the time. So so maybe physical fitness. What else can we think of? Anything? What are some words that you associate with the ocean? What words remind you of the ocean? Just frequency. So there is a frequency to the waves. Okay, we'll do frequency. That's a good one. This is going to be hard for me to write. Okay, I'm writing sideways, so don't. And I spelled it wrong. Frequency. Okay, there we go. So we have frequency. Anything else that we can think of? Is there maybe like a cycles to the ocean? Can you just know about that? How there's cycles to the waves? There's low tide and high tide. From the moon, right? The moon causes the waves, right? So that's what brings them in and out. So let's do. So let's go ahead and go cycles. How about that? Is that a good word for us? Cycles. Okay, how's that? So we got cycles. Waves are strong. Their frequency, so they are relenting. They keep going all the time, right? Okay. Well, how about this? So we've got some things that are the same. How about what things are different from working out in the ocean? This one maybe will be a little bit harder for us to come, or easier for us to come up with.
What?
How are they different? How is being physically fit? So it's a state of well-being. So how is being in a healthy state, being able to perform whatever our task is, if it's walking, working, sports, football, whatever. How is it different? How is being physically fit different from the ocean? I'll give you more time. That's okay.
Maybe because it's always really powerful. We can't always be doing that.
Okay, so maybe it's the consistency, right? Maybe consistency is different. So our bodies are different in consistency. How about, does the ocean ever quit?
No.
But we have to have time to recover, right, when we work out. So maybe that's different. So the ocean never quits, right? It never quits. It never takes a break. At least when I've been there, so it never quits, right? We need time to recover, right? And that's sleeping. We've talked about sleeping before, how important that is, right? We need time to refuel, eat more food, healthy foods, right, to give us the energy to exercise again. So those are some pretty good. So we've got, so the way we're the same, physical fitness in the ocean is the ocean's really strong and powerful, right? And that's something that being really strong, you know, is an important part of being physically fit. How often we do things. So the ocean is always working, but then we have cycles of the ocean. So there's going to be different cycles of, you know, fitness that we're going to conduct. And then we have, so it never quits, right? We talked about that. So the ocean never quits, but we as people have to take breaks, right, to recover. And then the consistency. So that's different in that the ocean is consistent and that it's always working. And maybe we need help to be more consistent. Like the ocean doesn't have a choice. The moon's guiding it. Maybe that consistency we have to find within ourselves to keep on working out so we can be physically fit. Okay, so now what I would like us to do, this last part of this little activity we're going to do, is in your own words. Don't even worry about this definition, all right? I want to your own words, give me your definition or explain what physical fitness means to you. Okay, and I'll give you, let's go about 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and work on that. So you got a pen, everybody has a pen and paper? What I'd like you to do too, between the two of you, is to come up with one question for me that you had from this lesson. Okay, so you can come up with one question and something that stumps you. First, let's go ahead and write what physical fitness means to you. Okay, so I would start with writing the word physical fitness out. I'll give you this again so we can write and spell it right. Physical. You guys know how to spell it. It's a tricky word.
Is there one on deodorant?
It's okay.
Honestly, physical fitness means to me.
Yeah, give me your own definition of it.